Now the next method for the preparations of alkyl halide, that is from alcohol and thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride having formula, that is SOCl2. Again we take alcohol. General formula of alcohol is ROH. It is treated with thionyl chloride plus SOCl. It is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is also called as sulfonyl chloride. It is heated. Both are heated. Aim is to prepare the alkyl halide. Then this R and this Cl will get break ROH bond. Same OH bond is also break in this way, and thus RCl SOCSO2 gas is evolved plus HCl will be formed. Now the RCl plus SO2 gas will be evolved plus HCl is also gas here, it will also evolve, and thus alkyl chloride is prepared, means alkyl halide is formed. Again, instead of R we take C2H5OH. C2H5OH, that is ethanol, or we can say ethyl alcohol. Again same reaction, treated with thionyl chloride, sulfonyl chloride. Again it is heated and formed C2H5Cl, that is ethyl chloride or chloroethane plus SO2 gas, SO2 plus HCl gas is also evolved, and thus ethyl chloride is alkyl halide is prepared. Now the next method, that is by halogen exchange. By halogen exchange, under this method we studied the two reaction. Under halogen exchange we studied two reaction, that is Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Now the next, by halogen exchange. Halogen exchange. Under this there are two reactions, Finkelstein reaction, and Schwarz reaction. Now the first reaction we studied, that is Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, RCl, or instead of this RBr, means alkyl bromide, is treated with sodium iodide. NaI is sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Instead of acetone we can take methanol. Here the topic is halogen exchange, that's why both halogens, that is Cl and I, get exchange. Means R is there only, instead of Cl R is there, plus what is remaining? NaCl get precipitated. NaCl means alkyl iodide. In board exam, state Finkelstein reaction. Write a note on Finkelstein reaction. Such questions will be asked. That's why you have to give the description. When alkyl chloride or instead of alkyl bromide is treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone or methanol, then alkyl iodide is formed. Such reaction is called as Finkelstein reaction. Then the Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction, again same, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is treated with metallic fluoride. Metallic fluoride, for example, AgF. It is silver fluoride. Instead of this metallic fluoride, we can take Hg2Cl, Hg2F2, that is mercurous fluoride, or SbF3, means any metallic fluoride we can take here. When alkyl chloride is treated with metallic fluoride, that is silver fluoride, it is heated, then again halogen exchange will be take place. Instead of Cl there is F, and instead of F there is Cl. Rf plus AgCl. It is alkyl fluoride. Now, statement of Schwarz reaction is when alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is heated, or we can say treated with metallic fluorides such as AgF, Ag2F2, SbF3, etc. to form alkyl fluoride. Such reaction is called as Schwarz reaction. Now the next one,